Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Honda CRV remote key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will have your key working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the remote. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the casing is securely closed. Then, test all the remote functions, like locking and unlocking your doors, to ensure everything works perfectly. Also, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.